Labor rights, independence. Winner, 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 winner. JLP, winner, 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 winner. Labor rights, winner, 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 winner. When the hand dead there, Labor Party a big up Jamaica. Labor want to Jamaica. We now roll at Jamaica. Now we love the Jamaica. And to a big up Jamaica. Labor want to Jamaica. We now roll at Jamaica. Now we love the Jamaica.
Prime Minister for 2 terms, Prime Minister for 3 terms. My father, Andrew Holness. We have been traveling from this morning right through sections of the constituency, and I must confess and tell you that what we have seen here today is a living testimony to Damien's strength and power in the constituency. We can't stay along with you because we still have a little way to go. We're going to ask Damien just to say hi, how do you do, and then I will introduce our Prime Minister. Come, Damien. Show your voice. I want to say there are 2 sentences. In 2020, someone on Facebook wrote and said, such man did not beat you, such man escaped you. This 2025 election, there will be nowhere to run, and there will be nowhere to hide. I have been working 5 years without resources, or little resources, just to make sure you know that I'm serious about serving you. When the way was dark, when friends were few, I remained focused and my eyes were fixed on serving the people. I never leave you. I never turn my back on you. Today, I brought the Prime Minister here so he can understand. We mean business. We mean business. I want you to welcome Prime Minister Dr. Andrew
Holness. There is something called conventional wisdom. The way in which people ordinarily think about things. And the conventional wisdom is to say that this constituency is die-hard PNP. That is the conventional way of thinking about it. But things change over time. And things change not because time comes, but things change because people have been working. People have been seeking to win over the people who support the other parties. This man right here, he ran in 2020. He came in a few weeks before the election. He lost 500 votes. He didn't pack his back and go. He stayed with you. He worked with you. He worked with your children. He got them trained. He got them jobs. In fact, he has done more than your member of parliament has done. And it is confirmed as I drive through the constituency. I see some of the opposition supporters running come to me to say, Prime Minister, I want the road fixed. And I was about to say, what was your MP doing? What are your feelings on your Because it shows that because of the conventional wisdom and thinking, he has taken the people for granted.
Yes.
This man has done. He has worked hard. He has worked very hard, and he has shown that he cares. He's loyal. He's dependable. But more than that, with little resources, he's capable. And so, when it comes to determine who should represent you, especially young people, this business of approaching politics like how you approach the support for the football team. I keep saying this man Mackenzie is a Manchester United fan.
Life.
No matter what Manchester United does, he support Manchester United. I am a Liverpool fan. The other day when Liverpool wins, we put on my Liverpool shirt. People say, what? You're a Liverpool fan? Yes, I'm a Liverpool fan. But you cannot approach your politics like how you approach football. The consequences of supporting the wrong football team cannot compare with the consequences of supporting the wrong government.
Yes.
And this is something that I know the people of this constituency, regardless of their traditional support, regardless of their family tradition, I know because I see it in the eyes, even of the members of the PNP who are here gathered, listening to what I'm saying. I know it touches the heart, it touches their heart, and it touches their mind. They know that what I'm saying is true. They know that Kenyan is a better representative and Kenyan deserves. And so I appeal to your conscience, to your better judgment, that this is not about the politics of the past. Jamaica is at what I describe as an inflection point. It is a point in the history of the country where the effort that the people put in is going to yield far greater results. And we see that every day. Amazing things are happening in our country. Our country is going to take off. Our country is going to achieve the prosperity that is our destiny. Our country is going to grow and do well, and all of you here will benefit. But the wrong choice in government can bring all those hopes crashing down. And so I urge you, as you consider to vote, make your choice for Jamaica. Make your choice for Jamaica. And I say to you, if I win, Jamaica wins. If I win, you
win.
If the Jamaica Labour Party wins, all of us win. I stand here not asking for a third term. There is a misconception that we are campaigning for a third term. That's not what we are saying. We are saying that we have worked hard. We have performed. There is the evidence of the performance.
Yeah,
Show you in documentary evidence. You can see it, you can feel it. And therefore, all I'm saying to you is that we should build a culture of rewarding people who work hard. We should build a culture of rewarding give the government the chance to continue. But not only on past performance. If you compare what we have committed to do in a future government versus what the PNP has committed to do, you know that our commitments are real and credible. You can go to the bank on them. The PNP is telling you that they are going to give you a horse that can fly. There is no such thing as a horse that can fly. They are giving you dreams and promises that don't make sense. Please give you realistic things. All I have to leave with you is to say, our Lord and God has said to us, He has a plan. A plan not to harm us, but to give us hope and to prosper us. And I ask God every day to give me the strength, the energy, and the wisdom to fulfill that plan for the people of Jamaica. God bless you.